Hi everyone! During our studio journey, we were looking for a good tool to create crochet charts for our patterns. One of the tools we have assessed is stitchfiddle.com. Today we will look into what it takes to make a chart using stitchfiddle.com. To do that, we're going to use a very simple written pattern. You can find this free pattern URL in the description below. First thing first, after creation of the new project, it needs to be named. Also, I would advise to register to the site in order to be able to store your work. Once it is done, it is time to set up all symbols you will need. Doing this will help you not to get distracted to search symbols once you start drawing the chart. Also, you will need at least 2 sets of symbols in different colors. This will allow you to make subsequent rounds in different colors, something that will make your chart much more readable. Last preparation step is creation of layers. It is critical to draw every row or round in its own layer, as otherwise it will be much more difficult to select specific parts of the chart. You may create all layers straight away or make new ones as you go. First layer is already present, so I just rename it and then draw initial magic ring. Let's proceed with round 1. This round contains 6 repeating elements of 2 double crochets followed by chain 1. First element is slightly different, plus there are some non-repeating elements. Firstly, let's draw and align repeating elements. Rounds are crocheted counterclockwise, however, stitch fiddle aligning element clockwise. This is important to remember. So, in order to draw or round, we need first draw chain 1 and then add pair of double crochet. After that, we copy those elements and paste them 5 times, which gives us 12 elements in total. Then we select all those elements and align them using Align Round feature. After elements are aligned, we position them manually. Now we need to replace one element with chain 3 plus double crochet. Once done, align all chain 1 elements and add slip stitch symbol to the end. First round is completed. Round 2. As previously, create a new layer and start adding repeating elements. It is important to keep same size for similar elements in every round, otherwise your chart will be expanding. Stitch Fiddle does not have any tools to help with this, so you will need to do it all manually. Again, draw main elements, copy and paste those 5 times. I'm using Ctrl plus V on the keyboard to do that. And then align them in round. If you need alignment around higher diameter, then just use align round feature one more time. Replace first element add non-repeating elements. And adjust everything. Round 2 is completed. Round 3. There are no significant differences in round 3 and 4. As previously, you draw and align repeating elements, then you replace first element, then add non-repeating elements and adjust both rounds. your chart is complete. Stitchfiddle.com did not become crochet chart making tool of our choice, mainly because its unscientific nature lacks of supporting tools like guidelines, inability to apply symbols using specific coordinates rather than mouse, and some more. However, without any doubts, it is possible to make quite complex charts using it. This tool is simple, almost free, and got many elements to start with. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel and see you next time.